See your light in morning sun. Your voice still echoes when day is done. Though you're gone, you're never far. You live inside my beating heart. Thank you, Mama, for your grace, for gentle hands and warm embrace. You taught me love, you gave me wings, and filled my life with quiet things. Though I can't hold you anymore, I love you deeper than before. Your lullabies still calm my fears. Your smile still shines